Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on the 7th of January, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 7th of January, 2025, our system has identified Apple as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 3.05. Now, let's examine the stock's performance throughout this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The stock is currently positioned in the lower segment of a strong upward trend in the short term, which often presents a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $240.02 is surpassed, it may initially indicate a slower growth rate, but could also serve as an early warning sign for a potential trend reversal. Analyzing the current 3-month trend, there is a suggestion of a possible 11.67% change over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from 10.67% to 20.85%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential change of 43.54% over the next year, with possible returns between 31.46% and 54.81%. This would imply a price range of $318.42 to $374.98 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, Apple stock downgraded to sell candidate. The Apple stock price fell by 1.14% on the last day, Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025, from $245 to $242.21. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.74%, reaching a low of $241.36 and a high of $245.55. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 4.83% during this period. Volume also declined on the last day, along with the stock, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume should follow the price movement. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 2 million shares, with a total of 40 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $9.71 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $260.09, while the lowest was $164.08. Currently, the price is 6.87%, or $17.88, below the 52-week high of $260.09, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Apple's stock is currently experiencing significant challenges following a downgrade by MoffettNathanson, which has changed its recommendation from neutral to sell. The revised price target is $188, a decrease from $202. The analyst has expressed concerns regarding the iPhone 16 models, which are struggling to gain traction in the market, alongside geopolitical tensions that are impacting sales, especially in China, where the demand for smartphones is reportedly declining. These downgrades and negative outlooks can foster a bearish sentiment among investors, potentially leading to a decline in the stock price in the short term. Additionally, Apple has recently lost its position as the world's largest company to Nvidia, with its market capitalization falling just below $3.7 trillion. This shift may influence investor confidence, particularly as Nvidia continues to expand its market presence with announcements of new business ventures. Analysts are predicting a potential decline of over 20% for Apple due to a series of accumulating negative developments, suggesting that the pressure on its stock could be significant. On a more positive note, Apple has signed a considerable lease for an office space covering 193,000 square feet in Seattle, reflecting its ongoing investment in operational capacity and regional growth. However, given the current pressures and downgrades, these long-term strategic moves are likely to be overshadowed. Overall, the combination of downgrade news, intensified market competition, and declining sales prospects could result in poorer stock performance for Apple in both the short and long term. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned AAPL an outperform rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of December, 2024, it was reported that Daiwa assigned AAPL an outperform rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 3rd of December, 2024, it was reported that Evercore ISI assigned AAPL an outperform rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 2nd of December, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned AAPL a neutral rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 2nd of December, 2024, it was reported that Jefferies assigned AAPL a hold rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. In terms of return on investment, analysts provide the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Apple. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock for Apple shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a negative outlook for the stock. During upward corrections, resistance is expected around the levels of 247 and 42 hundredths and 243 and 40 hundredths. A breakthrough above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 26, 2024, and to date, it has declined by 6.49%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may be of interest. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 8 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy opportunity from 9 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a sell signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 29 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average shows a sell signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 39 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 160 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $233.85. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock typically trades at a robust volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the associated risk is deemed low. Over the last day, the stock experienced a movement of $4.19, which is an increase of 1.74% between its high and low. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.73%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is fairly typical, often observed in companies with established histories or consistent revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of February, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates at $2.36. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $243.85. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $233.85. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 16th of December, 2024, Jeffrey E. Williams conducted an insider sale of 13,925 shares of common stock. On the same day, he also sold 34,752 shares of common stock. Again, on that day, he sold 42,939 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 16th of December, he sold 8,384 shares of common stock. Earlier, on the 15th of November, Arthur D. Levinson conducted an insider sale of 75,000 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 28.606. Overall, insiders purchased 2,060,786 shares and sold 3,807,852 shares in these last 100 trades. Our assessment for this stock is unfavorable, and we have not established a stop loss. Is Apple stock a good buy? The Apple stock currently exhibits several negative signals. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Apple will face weak performance in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, our assessment of this stock has turned negative. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have revised our analysis conclusion from a buy to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 8th of January, we expect Apple to open with an increase of 83 cents, starting at a price of $243.04. We want to emphasize that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at StockInvest.